Hi guys, and welcome to another great episode of What's Cooking UAE Season 3. I am always looking for that neighborhood spot. And you know what? You think it'd be a little bit easier in this place, but I think I found it. Here at Cafe 302, I finally have a place where I can have my burgers, I can have my fries, my greasy spoon, and I can even invite my vegan friends to enjoy a lunch with me. So I invite you as well to bring your friends and kind of get that friends feeling and join me here in Abu Dhabi. Today I'm sitting here with Chef Maha, and he's the executive chef of Cafe 302. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Welcome to Cafe 302.
So I hear you're kind of like the big boss, you won some awards, and people really kind of like your cafe, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So why do they like your place so much? I see so many diverse items on the table, but I saw the menu and there's so many options.
Yeah.
So what's your concept? What's going on in this place?
Honestly, we have an international modern menu, which it covers a lot of dishes from different type of cuisine. In order to meet our guest expectation, especially Abu Dhabi now has a large of nationalities. So we do have some dish from healthy corner to sandwich to some pizza, pasta, and of course some local dish.
So pretty much something for everyone. So I like meat, maybe somebody like vegetarian, the other one likes vegan. So I can bring all my friends and we can all sit together and enjoy a meal together.
Enjoy the meal and enjoy our drinks, our coffee. We have also a large of selection from our beverage.
And here you have, you call it the Super Bowl.
Yes.
Right? And this one of course has a lot of superfoods and you have elements of protein. So if I love tuna. I'm not gonna say I don't like tuna, but if I didn't want tuna, is there other choices that I could have?
Definitely, we have 4 choices for the guests. We have seared tuna, we have seared salmon, or the guests can have shrimps or grilled chicken.
It's a great salad. I'm not gonna really sit here and describe to you guys what asparagus and corn and and what broccoli tastes like. It's just fresh food.
Yeah.
Everything is fresh. You don't do anything to anything. You're just tasting what's there in my bowl, and it's very, very, very nice and fresh. However, what I see in front of me, that looks like some braised beef short rib sandwich.
Exactly.
And I really want to get into it. So
which is
tell me about
our
this.
signature sandwich. Okay, braised beef. We have the beef to be cooked slow for almost 4 hours with our marination. Then we have our sauce, herb aioli, and cheddar cheese. We top it with little rocket leaves, and of course our sandwich it comes with deep French fries. Okay, top with chopped parsley and side of our deli salad.
So I'm gonna get a choice of both of them, or you give me both?
We give you both.
I get fries and salad, so you can have the salad, I'm gonna eat the fries, I'm gonna finish the sandwich. And it's great because, you know, usually it's like a steak sandwich and, you know, it's more chewy in my mouth, but because of the braised beef, it just falls in your mouth. It's so delicious, and I love the cheese, and your baguette, so crunchy.
So crunchy.
You gotta have that crunch. And then also you have some chicken wings, and we have chili cheese fries, and everything looks so great, Chef.
Thank
you.
you.
But the thing is, I think we have the Wheel of Chef coming up. So you think you can take on the challenge?
Of course, we are ready for that.
Of course he is. He's the big boss. I took the chef to the back and we spun the Wheel of Chef and we landed on wild card because the chef is one wild and crazy guy. Now I embarrassed him, okay. So chef, here you gave me a really great spring roll and it was kind of like Mexican, Asian infusion sort of thing, and now you gave me something and you turned it into more of your injection of Arabic flavors.
True, yeah.
Yeah, so what's exactly the difference? How much difference is in here?
In our original dish, we use avocado with some dry tomato. Okay, we turn it to avocado and sumac powder with some chili and coriander. Having also on the side some tamarind sauce and crispy bread and crispy pine seed. Which is basically very close to Arabic dish, which most of our guests, they love to have this dish.
Yeah, it's really good. Actually, it's kind of like, I want to say like kibbeh nayar, raw meat, but no raw meat, just with the avocado.
And the bread, we do it as a crispy Arabic bread instead of having fried one. So if people are vegetarian or they love healthy food, they can go with this dish.
It's a little more healthy. And it's really, really nice because you can share it. So it's a really good concept to bring people and dip and everybody's having a really nice bite. And it's very sweet. So maybe you should try this for a new promotion for your restaurant.
Yeah, for sure.
I want credit for this one. And of course, we always have to have dessert.
Yeah.
And here looks great, and I think we might have to share with this one. But here you have, what is this, bananas and cream and...
Our signature sweet bottled cream banana pie, which is homemade. We're using cream, caramel, and some...
Wow, oh, it's everywhere. And all, if you guys can see, look, it's just cream. And the cream on top is what? This is, what kind of cream?
vanilla cream.
Vanilla cream with more cream, mascarpone cream. I mean, can you guys see all of this? This is one portion for one person?
Yes.
This is ridiculous. I don't know how people eat this whole thing. Chef, it's good, but the crumble sticks to your lips. You have to think of the ladies, chef. Think of the ladies and their lip gloss. So I'm gonna let you finish this.
Yeah.
I am gonna do some grocery shopping because I see some products that I've never seen in the grocery store here. I see some truffle butter. I'm gonna take some of your homemade cream cheese and pesto sauce here. We have some beet ketchup, I think, beetroot ketchup.
Yeah.
And I know it's expensive. Take me one on this one and put it on your bill, okay?
No worries.
Okay,
For
chef.
sure.
Thank you. There we go. So it's on you, right?
Of course.
Okay, write it off. Thank you, chef. It's
Thank
been
you
a
very much.
pleasure and enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too.
I know
Thank
I
you.
will.